If you're born in the following period, your zodiac is ox, and you have a lot of ups and downs this year since you are offending the Tai Shui, and also you have a fall in auspicious star which is affecting you. When you're driving this year, you need to be really careful because the Gaosa and Pinon are affecting you. You make you easily have some like a small car accident or get a traffic ticket, so be careful of that one. And because the Gunsi is also affecting you, so you make those like a hidden enemy be more aggressive this year. So this year you need to avoid those. It seems like to be your friend, but actually it's your enemy and hurting you. And you also need to be avoid for those like unnecessary conflict and argument. Try to avoid that. That will be good for you. And because the Guaso is affecting you, you make you have some family issue, let's say some conflict, unnecessary conflict and argument, and you will also affect your love energy because the love energy is also not really strong this year. If you want to start a new business, to change a new job, or you have a huge investment you want to do it, this year you need to be really think twice to do that because this year is not really the optimist year for you to do that. Next year may be a better one. And you need to also pay attention for those scam issues. Someone is targeting you, try to hurt your interest. For the following month, you need to pay extra attention. April, July, August, and October. But don't worry, you have a 4 auspicious stars which is helping you, and those 4 stars will bring you some good people and good opportunity. So anytime you need some help or you need someone to help you out, just look around. There's someone is always willing to help you out. So don't worry about that one. If you want to know more detail, you can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide. Just search my name, Master Alexi, you'll find it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.